Welcome to the manager training on how to track your users' progress using Safety Hub. First, we need to go into our dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, for this video, we're going to focus on the My Reports section. We have 4 different types of reports. We're going to go through each one throughout this video. First, let's go to Participant Report. So for a participant report, you can search for any participant that's in your department or reports to you in the search fields, or you can go down and see what users you have in a long list. I only have 2 for this demo, but you may have more. Let's check on one of our users. This will pull up their participant report, and you can see all the courses they've been enrolled to, the status of what they're doing, when they were enrolled, when it started, and if they've completed it, the date completed, and the score they achieved on the test. This is all the participant report will show. If they have more than one course, you'll see a list of them here on this screen. Let's go back to our dashboard. Next, let's look on our course completion report. The course completion report will show all the different courses that you've assigned to various users within your department. You can see the number of users that are assigned the course, how many haven't started, how many are in progress, how many are completed or incompleted. This will help you determine whether or not you need to set a specific email or reminder to your or a broad one. Let's go back to our dashboard. Next, we have our current training schedule. This lets you know what you've assigned and to who. This gives us a little bit more detail. So now we can see the course name, who's enrolled into it, what part of the department they are, and other details here. And you can see where you set up your reminders. You could also download any of this information for any of these screens when you click on the button, download as a CSV file. CSV files will open up in Excel as very simple data files that you can use. Here's a quick look what that CSV file will look like. Let's go back to the dashboard. Our last report is the overview report. The overview report is a general report where we can go into much more detail by selecting what we want to view. This is especially powerful for users that have a lot of departments or a lot of users that are reporting to them. So we can pick a filter for the enrollment date. To select that, you need to enable it, and then select the date the same way we did when we assigned training. What department or departments do you want to select from? Do you wish to set status to all, which includes incomplete and complete, or just the incomplete students or the complete students? This is especially powerful if you just want to see a list of all the incomplete students within a department for a specific course. And if we scroll down, you can even select any specific course or group of course that you want on this report. So we could select a few. Once done, click Submit. Now we don't have a lot of users here, so we're not going to have any results. But if we were to pick the WMIS training, I know we have some users within our department that are assigned it, and you can see it pulls up the same reports that we had from some of our previous entries. Depending on the scope and size of the students and/or staff that you supervise, this filter tool can be very powerful to help you get the information that you need at that moment.